Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss SSC CGL 2021 Mock 4 current affair discussion taken from textbook app or website. Now coming to the first question. Founder of the Chishti sect in India. Founder of the Chishti sect in India is Moinuddin Chishti and it is founded in Ajmer, Ajmer Dargah Sharif. चादर चलाने के लिए फेमस है एंड चिश्ती सेक्ट इज पार्ट ऑफ सूफी ट्रेडिशन वन ऑफ द फोर स्कूल ऑफ सूफी ट्रेडिशन एंड अदर थ्री आर कादरी सोहरावर्दी एंड नक्शबंदी इन इंडिया इट चिश्ती sect is famous and founder of it was Moinuddin Chishti in Ajmer. Now coming to the second question, what is present in acid rain? What is present in acid rain? H2SO4 sulfuric acid. That's why it is harmful for humans and also buildings, heritage buildings. What is present in acid rain? H2SO4. Third one, in Jan 2022, India agreement with which country to jointly redevelop World War II era oil tanks? So India has agreed to redevelop World War II era oil tank with Sri Lanka because of Sri Lanka strategic location. It will be very helpful at the time of war. Fourth question, National Academy of Agricultural Research Management. National Academy of Agricultural Research Management and also International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics are where? So both are at the same place, capital of Telangana, that means Hyderabad. Why there is Modi ji photo? Because today he went there, International Crops Research Institute, and tested chana, and this become a meme. So two agriculture related institute, one of national level and one of international level, National Academy of Agricultural Research Management and International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. Semi-arid tropics are those regions where there is no low rainfall or high rainfall, medium rainfall, or also sunshine is low, not low or high. Mainly these areas we can used for pulse cultivation. That's why Modi ji with chana. Coming to the next question, sixth question. First satyagrahi of individual satyagraha movement. Very common question. Individual satyagraha. First satyagrahi was also the founder of Bhudan Andolan. That means Binoba Bhave. Binoba Bhave was first satyagrahi. Just before Quit India movement, Gandhiji launched individual satyagraha to prepare the public or masses how to use satyagraha for discipline purpose. First satyagrahi Binoba Bhave and second satyagrahi was Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, currency of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan currency. Currency of Kazakhstan is tenge. Other related question are what is the capital of Kazakhstan? Because its name has been changed. Now new name is Nur Sultan. And also Kazakhstan. One most common question is who is the world's highest producer of uranium? World's highest producer of uranium is Kazakhstan. So three question has been covered. Coming to the next question. Chukkar term related to which game? Chukkar term related to game polo. In polo, people sit on horseback and then they play game. Polo. Chukkar term. Chukkar term is basically what is the time? Time means it denotes time for how long the game will go. So every chukkar is 7.5 minutes long, and in a match between 4 to 6 chukkars happens. Polo game, chukkar term. Next question, Brihadeswar temple Tanjore is constructed by whom? So Brihadeswar temple Tanjore, Tamil Nadu is constructed by greatest Chola king Raja Raja I. It is a Savagism temple, means dedicated to Lord Shiva, Brihadeswar temple. It is also a World Heritage Site, and World Heritage Site designation is given by UNESCO, World Heritage Site. Next question, National Waterway One Length, National Waterway One Length, which is from Allahabad to Haldia. Allahabad to Haldia is 1620 kilometers. 1620 kilometer. You could have solved this easily with option, because in the option there was option 20, 200 kilometer, 800 kilometer, 1000 kilometer and 1620 kilometer. If you have the basic knowledge about where is Haldia situated and where is Allahabad situated, then you could have used your logic and solve this question. Always use your logic. Next question. Committee formed on the recommendation of John Mathai. Committee formed on the recommendation of John Mathai. But first, who was John Mathai? John Mathai was India's first rail minister, and then later he also became finance minister. And he recommended two committee, Public Accounts Committee and Planning Commission. Now Planning Commission has been decommissioned and there is Niti Aayog. And Public Account Committee is one of the most powerful committee of parliament. It scrutinizes CAG report, Public Account Committee, and it is formed by the Lok Sabha Speaker. Public Account Committee, very powerful committee. Next question. First woman to command US nuclear carrier in US Navy history. Very hard question. Amy Byrne Smith, because all the rest three options were also related to American Navy. So it is tough to remember. Amy Byrne Smith. Next question. 13th one. All India Harijan Sevak Sangh founder. All India Harijan Sevak Sangh founder, and in which year? So All India Harijan Sevak. Now Gandhi ji first time called scheduled caste and oppressed caste Harijan, Hari ke log, and he created All India Harijan Sevak Sangh after Pune Pact in 1932. 1932. Next question. Radioactivity measured by which instrument? Radioactivity is measured by Geiger-Müller counter. In next slide we will see the image of this machine, so you can easily remember this Geiger-Müller counter. Next one. Father of economics, or also father of modern economics. Who is father of modern economics? It is very famous economist, Scottish economist Adam Smith, and his one of the most famous book is The Wealth of Nations. Next question. River crossing equator twice. Which is the river which crosses equator twice? Equator को दो बार cross करने वाली river. Now the name of that river is Zaire, and also known as Congo River, because it flows on Congo country, and it is Africa's second largest river after Nile. Zaire River crosses equator twice. Next question. First Gyanpith Prize winner. Now Gyanpith Prize is not government prize. It is given by the Bharati Gyanpith Foundation, and the first winner was G. Shankar Kurup. G. Shankar Kurup from Malayalam literature. Now one question also becomes who is the latest Gyanpith Prize winner? Latest Gyanpith Prize winner of 2021 is Damodar Mojo. Damodar Mojo, Konkani language, Konkan region, Goa. Damodar Mojo. Very important question. Who is the 2021 Damodar Mojo? 2021 Gyanpith Prize winner Damodar Mojo, and first Gyanpith Prize winner was G. Shankar Kurup. And who was the writer who won the Gyanpith Prize for Hindi? So answer of that question is Sumitra Nandan Pant ji. Now there was a question from which poem or from which writer this line has been taken, and the line was the child is father of the man. Very famous line. The child is father of the man is taken from William Wordsworth poem My Heart Leaps Up. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began. So is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. Means every time my heart should leap up whenever I see a rainbow in the sky, be it in my childhood or in younger age or in old age. The child is father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each by natural piety. Means always there should be a child living inside you, and he should be the father of you. The child is father of the man. Similarly, there is also a famous line where the mind is without fear. This line has been taken from Rabindranath Tagore Gitanjali, very famous line. Next one is picture of Geiger-Müller counter used for measuring radioactivity. You could have seen in many movies or TV series. Geiger-Müller counter. This is the machine. So that's all. Thanks. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.